going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go run over to my buddy's house. We're gonna go wash the vehicles because he's got a nice car, and then we're gonna go wash my truck because I haven't driven it in probably 2-3 weeks because I've been sick. So I'm trying to get all detailed and cleaned up. But let's go fire this thing up and see how it's running. I don't even know if it's gonna be charged or not because it's been a while. Let's see. Not good. The light's not on. Let's see if it's dead. Oh, come on. This is some bull. All right, let's go charge this damn battery. All right, well, since I'm one person, I gotta push this thing backwards out of the garage. Come on. Yeah, there we go. All this to wash my truck. Cool. We're all clear. We're gonna make it over into the handicap space over here. Come on, pickup truck. Thank God I got a daily. Come on, let's go charge this girl up and get her running. She can't be doing me like that. Now we wait. Don't worry about that. She's an old truck. She's got dings and scratches, but she's a great truck. Better truck over there, though. Woo, baby! God! So I call this one Gretchen Wieners, or the 6-seater beater. But she came in clutch today. Now you go drive my old race truck. Oh, it's nice and dirty in here too. Oh man! Just stop. Look at this, dude. 85 is $1.79. It's not bad. Hopefully she fires back up. That wouldn't be fun if she just quit on me. This is Doug's car. Thing's beautiful. And there's the old beater. He's already washed all his. I'm washing mine now. Yo, man. This thing's beautiful. It's not even waxed or nothing, dude. This thing is clean. Nice little Band-Aid. Damn. Gleaming. All right, guys, we're all back home, showered up. Truck's in there, looking all nice and good. Well, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.